Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we had a pretty bad jobs number come through yesterday which drove the market down, but it did bring in the buyers. You can't really see this on the daily, but we've had two red days on the daily. First one was a range bar, then we had this pin bar. At the moment we are slightly down. I'm going to pick up the levels now, but I have a sneaky suspicion we're still fighting with 30,000, and I don't think we've had a proper test of 30,000. So I just want to get to, we're probably on 30,000 right now. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so you can see this 30,000 level is again what is being defended. Now I suspect what's happening here is the bulls are looking for a weekly close above 30,000. So they haven't really got, well, they did get one last week, so they did get this weekly close above. So coming back to test that 30,000 level and see what transpires from there. So I suspect that's kind of what we need to be looking for. At the moment on the 3 hour, this is really not conducive to really making any money. It's all over the place, up and below the moving average. So we had bad jobs number yesterday, which kind of brought the bulls into play. Brought the bears into play, and we still don't have any other movement on the political front around stimulus package, or even around a plan around the coronavirus vaccine either. So yeah, so at the moment we are like a rudderless ship at the moment, and that's kind of what you can see in the charts. So yeah, big move up, big move down, and we are now sort of following the moving average. But if you look at every hour bar, when it's up and down like this, especially going into the close yesterday, look for how long it was sideways in this block here. Then we had a bit of a gap up, and we've pulled back, closed the gap. You know, what's the most logical move at the moment? And I would say it could be a trend forming here. But for me, I'm going to want to see this high go. So 30,000, I think 30,100 we can actually, yeah, 30,100 is the new line in the sand for me at the moment. So we want to get above that, test it, hold it, and then we'll see what transpires. But 30,000 is where the action is right now, so I suspect we're going to probably just grind sideways unless there's some catalyst that comes out today, and just keep going sideways. Get a catalyst, then we'll continue moving to the upside. I suspect what's going to happen, that catalyst is going to happen over the weekend, and we'll probably have a Monday morning gap up, then see what transpires from there. But that's kind of my view at the moment. So right now it's sit on hands, wait for this thing. Even on the 15-minute you can see there's nothing really here indicating you need to be trading. So wait for the structure, be patient, it's going to come. Eventually something is going to give, and more than likely, in my opinion, we're going to move to the upside. If it does move down, I think just get that move to the downside. But although, look at these tails here, I really, 30,000 is a level. If it does, 30,000 does give, I mean, you've got quite a bit of targets to the downside here. But yeah, I'm not of that opinion right now. So even if it does move down, I'd be looking for an opportunity to buy into it. There's just too much on the table at the moment. The stimulus package is there. They are talking. So they're going to come to an agreement somewhere along the line, I can tell you that much. They have to. So somewhere along the line, political egos are going to give way, and that'll be released. When that does get released, you can see the all-time high being challenged again. But for now, I think just watch these levels. Just watch them carefully. Watch 30,000 and watch 30,100. That's kind of your range at the moment. You could probably be buying off this 30,000 level and have a fairly wide stop if you wanted to. I think it's a little bit risky for me, because there is a chance that it comes down, and that's 130 point odd stop loss. So if you can stomach that, or a small enough position, you could probably jump in around here and look for another move to the upside, or just wait for the confirmation. And that's more the way I want to trade this, which is 31,000, 30,100, break up, retest, and then we'll look at that. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.